Hello, Karen from Budget Health Check yet again. This one's going to be short and sweet, guys, but again, if it's beneficial for you, it's going to be beneficial for others. Please make sure that you're sharing it out there so that we can get the word out and help as many people as possible. One thing that I just want to quickly reiterate, which I have touched on a little bit in some of my other videos, is responsible lending, and part of that is affordability. Now, being a broker myself, I have access to lenders, and I have seen in the last 24 hours some of these lenders have started tightening up their policies and saying that they're going to be looking into certain things a little bit clearer, a little bit more in depth, right? Now, this video, just to make it clear, is not to make you panic. It is not to worry you. That's not what I want to do, okay? But what I am trying to let you know is we are going to, for the time being, until this is resolved, the coronavirus I'm talking about, we're going to go through a period where some people who usually found it very, very easy to get approved for loans may find it quite difficult because of your work situation and your income situation. Now, it's not that you're doing anything wrong. I want to make that very clear, and that's the reason for this video, because I want to reassure you that if you find it difficult to get approved now and you never have before, there's a reason for it, and that comes down to if there's a change in your circumstances. So the lenders out there, the banks, the financial institutions, they still have a duty of care, and they still have to make government legislation around responsible lending. And part of that is making sure that you can afford to repay that loan, not just today, but also into the future. Unfortunately, they can't speculate what is going to happen 3 months down the track. You can say to them as much as you like, I have a job to go back to, but if you're out of work now, there is a very strong, and you have no income now, there's a very strong chance that you might not be able to get approved for a loan. Now, that doesn't mean you won't get approved forever, it's just now. As part of the lending rules, you must be able to meet affordability in order to be able to get approved for a loan. Alternatively, there is sort of second tier or non-mainstream lenders that may still be able to assist you. The interest rates could be slightly higher, but at least they should be able to assist you. Every lender, though, they still need to make sure that you can afford it in order to be able to approve a loan. So if you are finding it difficult to get approved and you have had a change of your income circumstances recently, this would be the reason as to why. It will get better after all of this pandemic is over. We just have to ride it out. It's not good, but I do implore you not to keep shopping around hoping for a different answer. Please don't internalise it and think that, you know, you're a bad person or that your bank is not wanting to support you or anything like that. They still have government rules that they have to adhere by, regardless of what is happening in the current climate. So if you think there are people, you've heard of people out there in this situation, please share this video. It's not going to solve the problem. I fully respect that, unless the governments or the banks change their policies. However, it's good if you guys know about it, because if you know about it, it takes some of that stress and that pain out of it, and perhaps you might not put that inquiry through to get approved for a loan, or you don't put as many inquiries through to try and get approved, thus having a detrimental effect somewhere else. So I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in the next video.